Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna transform my everyday makeup to work to go out for dinner for my birthday. So yeah, usually in the morning I would do a simple makeup, not do too much. And for tonight is an important event. It's my birthday. It's on a weekday, so after work I have a little bit of time to remove my morning makeup and transform it to be a night owl makeup. So I have to remove everything in the morning. I was thinking of just changing a few things, or I reapply the foundation. So it saves some time, but I do have time, a little bit of time, not too much, but it's gonna make me looks better. So I decided to remove everything and change it. Now the first important thing that I always do is to pick a lens color for an important event. And sometimes it may take a while because I need to choose the right one for the right look. I don't know if you have a lot of lens, but since my trip to Japan, I have picked up quite a lot of different lenses. Usually, it's not too big, so you can wear it every day. But for important event, I would wear a larger diameter, so it's brighten up your eyes, make your eyes look bigger, and it's gonna be the main focus point for other people. And since it's the night, I'm gonna use like a darker blue. But yeah, this year is my birthday. It's nothing crazy, so I don't usually celebrate my birthday, especially now I'm moving out, living by myself. I don't really care that much about my birthday. It's just like another year old. Now I'm in the 30s. It's hard to think about like another birthday, another year older. Is it's good if you have somebody who celebrate your birthday, but for me, I'm okay with not having my birthday. But of course, I have my fiance, so he always help me celebrate my birthday by bringing me out to dinner. And today is a Tuesday night. I don't know where I'm going yet. I'm just trying to get ready, looks pretty, and not to be late. So I have my outfit ready, and then I'm trying to redo my makeup, start all over again. But I feel like it's a necessary things because when you look pretty, it's like you're gonna have a little bit more attention, you'll be more confident. Since when I know about makeup, it's changed my life like a lot. It's not just like how people look at you, but how you look at yourself. It's like you're become more confident in your own selves. You make yourself looks pretty, and then it's just like make me feel happy every time I dress up and do a good makeup look. Even though sometimes I do feel like I'm failing, because uh, don't you don't you feel like every time you're trying to go out for something that important and you really need to do it well, and then you fail? But and then for the most of the time that you don't need to do too fancy, or you just don't care about the look, just whatever, it turned out to be the better look. I feel like it's me who always feel like the the better look is the less effort that I put in. But because I like to do makeup and I do it every day, so from time to time I have a little bit more experience. I know what to fix, what to change on my face to make it look better. Learning from other influencer, from other YouTuber, and I'm just like, oh wow, it's been so long since I started my very first makeup, and then now I can look back and tell you that it's a big milestone that I have achieved. Um, oh, but yeah, back to my birthday. Usually, we always go out for dinner. Even for his birthday, I would take him out, even though he driving. um, but I would create a little surprise for him. Always buy him present. So I feel like I always wanted to create a little surprise for people, even for my family or my sister, or like my friends that I know. I always want to make them feel like they're appreciated, they're cared for. I always feel happy every time they're happy when I do something for a special event for them. So yeah, it's this year. I don't even know what present you're gonna give me. I don't. I don't really care. It's just like I have a little expectation, but it's not too much. It's like uh, I want to guess. I want to know what it is, but at the same time, you're like, it's a surprise. Don't ruin it. So I know that he's not good at surprise, um, but he always make me happy. That's the main thing, and that's why we've been together for so long now. Sorry, I'm not really focused on the makeup look because I know that you guys been watching me. For you guys that been watching me for a long time, I feel like I'll always have that one style of makeup that I always follow, even though that I'm trying to change it over time. It still have the similar look, and it's not. I don't think it's bad, but it's just like um I still need to figure out a way to get out of the box and do something more adventurous or more creative, I would say. Um, but for now, I think the more I do it, the more I figure more things that I can improve to make the look better and better, and then even look like more professional. To be like a amateur makeup. It's not a makeup artist. I just like makeup. I've been follow a lot of beauty YouTuber and influencer since they just started their YouTube channel, and now they're all famous. I was thinking, why didn't I do it? Why didn't I I try to be a content creator, like a beauty influencer like them? If I would do it, where would I be at this time? But to think about it, it's like maybe it's the right time for me now, and not before, not a few years ago, not like when I was younger, um because all the experience, all the things that I learned over years, over time now is become part of my experience. That's why I want to share with you guys now, but not before. So maybe it's the perfect timing for me. And then you know what? Most of the time, I don't like to talk that much. I'm more like an introvert person, and I just like to do. Uh, my voice is not as good, and I talk way too slow. If you know me, like I talk kind of slow because kind of try to think of what to say next. But I wish I can say like I can speak a lot faster than my speed right now. Um, but it's maybe that's who I am. It's just like as long as you understand what I'm saying, then I'm happy. And it's like I don't really demand like really want a lot from you guys. I just hope that my video can can make you guys happy or like can be an inspiration for at least one of you guys somewhere in the world, that you get inspired and you do your own things and you did your own makeup and you learn step by step to become better and better every day, and one day you can share with me back, yeah, that oh, one time I watched your video and now I become like this, or now I feel like I'm getting better. Maybe that's why I'm respect, or that's what I'm trying to see from the new feature of from my channel. But yeah, the my makeup channel is still growing, and then it's my birthday, so I feel like it's time for me to make a move to make it bigger, to create something that you guys can get inspired, you guys can spend more time watching it, and to create a group of friends that I can share everything beauty with you guys. Anyways, what is your favorite eyeliner products? Cause currently my favorite one is the Gigi Bear. I don't remember I got it from I got it from. Maybe I got it from Shein. You know, you shouldn't trust Shein on their beauty products because sometimes it's cheaper than other real or like authentic Korean or Chinese makeup products. But I don't know, it's just like I found some of their products that I really wanted to buy and I just buy it. And it turned out the Gigi Bear Super Slim Eyeliner has become my favorite. Even like, you know, if you don't really know how to draw the lower lashes, believe me, if you get this pen, you can draw it super easy, because you know why, before this pen I don't I don't really think that I can draw my lower lashes like this. Or maybe because I practiced a few times. It's just yeah, it just takes time to make it looks more like lower lashes, to see like uh, lashes, single lashes by itself. But then with this pen is make everything so easy, and I'm like, I'm so happy about it. And like, it's just make my look is elevated, my look. And I'm almost done. I think he's here. So he's picking me up. He's ready. I'm almost ready. So he waited for me. Oh, and then after this, I'm gonna have to do my lips, and oh, I already did my hair. So after I did my hair, I fixed my eyebrow a little bit to make sure it's in shape and this looks good. And now it's my lips time. Fix my hair again. So I'm picking the lips color. I always have a hard time. I think I know a little bit more about color now, but I have a little bit hard time of deciding which one to use for my layout. So I'm just moving around because I think I need to find my lipstick. Oh, and I think I decided to use a combo Roman and Chanel. The one that is called Red Brown. One of the popular the dual lips color from Chanel. It's like one side is the matte lipstick and one side is the gloss to go on top of the lips. Yeah, that is my favorite one. And it's like it can be in the middle of your lips. It's like it's highlight your lips better. And it's super, super nice. Like stay on your lips all day. It's a little bit on the drier side, but it's not. I don't complain about it because the the lip gloss is super nice. If you're gonna put it on top of the color after using the lip, yeah, I'm using it right now. Did you see the difference? And now apply. I use a little bit Dior highlighter on my face, so it's pop. And ta-da! My makeup is done. Not too crazy. But I think the main focus is on my eyes. So my eyes and my lips is like a little bit glossy, a little bit classic with Chanel. So my final look at this is my makeup after like 4 hours. It's still really nice. I just take out my lens, my faux lashes, but everything else still stay the same. Especially I love the foundation that I'm using. It's actually Flora's cushion. It's very, very, very nice. It still stay on. It's just like make my skin brighter and smooth my skin without showing my pores. And then the lips is still on, even though I eat quite a lot of food, especially oily food. It's from 3CE. So yeah, and then you see my blush is still on, even though like I didn't really use a lot of extra blush after the cream blush I apply. This is really lasts so long, and I love how my looks turn out today. So beautiful.